Hey guys, it's me Emanuel and I'm back with my second video on beach waves. And in this video I'm going to be doing a looser beach wave curl using my Conair curling wand. This style is going to be a lot easier than the last one, and probably I would recommend doing it this way for someone who hasn't styled their hair before because it's a lot easier. And I'm only using one tool. So I've already been in the shower, conditioned my hair, blow dried it, and put all my stuff in. If you want to know what I use to put in my hair as far as conditioning and oil treatments, you can watch the first video in the pre-blow dry section of the video. I also want to say thank you to anybody who watched the last video. I really appreciate it, and all of my friends that texted me and commented and let me know what they thought of the video. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to take my fingers above my ear, draw a line to the back, and I'll be starting off in the nape area using my little scrunchie to part things away. And it's a really good idea to always part your hair into 3 sections, 2 sections, whatever you want. Just part your hair so that it's easier to work with. Alright. So the first section is going to be about the same as I did last time. I'm going to take a parting that's about the width of the tool, and I'm going to curl towards my face. Let it drop. And don't worry if the sectioning isn't perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just as long as it feels like it's the width of the wand. Alright. I usually just do what I can reach first, so I'll do the first 2 sections because I can reach them. And I usually don't count to any particular number. I just kind of hold it to what I think is about the same time each time. Just don't hold it too long. You don't need to hold it too long. On to the next section. Pretty quick and easy. And the way this is going to look is actually closer to what my hair looks like when I let it air dry. And I used to do this style every day before I started using the TGI bedhead artist that I used in the last video. I am going to still take sections that are the width of the wand, but you're going to alternate the curls. And that's kind of the secret to making it look more natural, is alternating the curls. So that means I'm going to curl one away from the face and the next one towards the face. And I always like to do the ones that are by the face away from the face. So we'll go away. Okay. Next section towards the face. And also, I know in my title and stuff it says beach waves for guys or styling for guys or whatever I put, but it doesn't mean it's only for guys, obviously. There's more females out there, I guess, that have long hair and If you're watching this and you're a female, then obviously you can use the same technique too. I just like to title it that way because I never find anything that says guys with long hair styling with the curling wand or something like that. And so all the videos that I've seen for guys, it's like styling messy buns or a ponytail or something. It's never like actual styling that I've found. And that's what I always looked for. Because I'm not the type of person that can just like shampoo my hair, put it in a little bun, and then let it go and my hair's gonna look amazing. Like, that's just not me. I need to style my hair for it to look like it looks nice. I'm not just like naturally beautiful. I have to put some effort into looking good. When you're curling your hair, just curl the hair and let it drop. Don't run your fingers through it until the very end because you need the curl to cool down and hold that shape before you start messing with it. So I usually don't mess with the hair until I'm completely done styling my hair with the wand or whatever I'm using, any heat styling tools that I'm using. I don't really mess with the hair until I'm fully done with the whole style. If you don't have a curling wand at home, but there's like a curling iron around, you could use the curling iron. Just use it closed. Like, usually a curling iron will have like a clamp on it where you would like put the hair around and clamp the hair inside. But if you want to use it like a curling wand, just turn it on and leave it closed, and then it'll heat up the clamp too, so you could just wrap the hair around it like it's a curling wand. So you don't have to have a wand in order to do this. You could use just a curling iron if someone has one, or so now that everything has been curled, now I can run my fingers through my hair and break everything up. And then what I like to do is just take the flat iron, because sometimes with this, it'll look like too curled for me. So I'll get the flat iron and just kind of like run it through to straighten it out just a little bit. And then definitely like towards the ends. Just so it's not like super, super curled. Just kind of calm everything down. And now that I've kind of straightened it out and it looks the way that I want it to look, I'm going to do the final thing, which is what I always do, and I add the height to the back. This is just like a looser beach wave, and like I said, it's easier because you're just using one tool, and if you've never styled your hair before, I would probably try doing it this way first until you start getting used to doing that, and then you can kind of like try other tools or other ways of styling it, whatever works best for your hair. I usually like this style. It looks a little bit more polished, so if I'm like going out to dinner or something, I'll do it this way, and it's a little bit longer because it has a looser curl. And also, I can almost always wear my hair parted in the middle, but if I want to look like more dressed up, I'll do it to the side. So I'll just kind of toss it this way. And then it just makes you look a little bit more, I don't know, to me a side part looks a little bit more dressy than a middle part. And then I could just like tuck this hair like that. About having long hair is that I have a lot of options, and I don't really have to maintain it a lot, besides me having to like blow dry and style it once a week. That's the most time I spend on my hair. After that, it's like I wake up, I look at it in the morning, and if it looks a little messy in some areas, then I'll just take the wand and just like curl it real quick for a few seconds. Boom, boom, the rest of the hair looks great, and I just go. So having long hair is actually less maintenance for me than having short hair. And I can show you what my hair looked like when it was short before I started growing. Anyway, that concludes this video. For the next video, I'm gonna do a straight style, and I'll show you how to make it look naturally straight. I know it sounds like it would be really easy to just do straight hair, but I'll show you some things that I do to make it look like I didn't straighten my hair. Alright guys, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.